Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the industry-specific implementation designed for insurance brokers and companies in the insurance industry, created in eWay-CRM. We are looking at the main eWay-CRM online dashboard. The key modules that have been customized for this industry are contacts and companies, deals and projects. Deals represent insurance policies for us, while projects represent individual insurance claims. All of these records can be connected to tasks, which work as to-do lists, journals for meeting notes or negotiation records, emails synchronized with Microsoft Outlook, and various documents such as contracts, PDFs, or spreadsheets. Let's start with the Contacts module. In this sample database, I have created several example contacts of different types. When we open a new contact card, in addition to the standard fields from the usual form, we now have a type field, where we can choose between the three types of contacts you can work with: client, insurer, and assessor. The type of insurance policy associated with a client is defined in the Deals module by the policy type, and this information is also displayed here to the contact card. At the same time, we can see whether they are a potential client, currently active or inactive, based on whether there is an ongoing policy associated with them. This allows you to manage your contacts efficiently. The Companies module works in a similar way. When we open a new company card, we again find the type field, but with additional option, service provider. The workflow on the card also indicates the current status of the company. Just like with contacts, the type is automatically filled in based on the insurance policy linked to that company. The main focus of this industry template is on deals and projects. For demonstration, I've created a deal which represents an insurance policy. On this card, you will find new fields such as policy number, type, policy expiration date, and insurer, which can be either a company or a contact we are working with. In this example, the insured client is the primary contact person. In this case, we are dealing with vehicle insurance that has a set expiration date, and we can monitor renewals accordingly. At the top of the card, we can see that this is an active policy, its value, and here we can see the insurer. We handle this policy with Marianne Royster, representative of the insurance company. And in connection with other modules, I can see a history of communication, attached documents, meeting notes with the client, and so on. It doesn't matter what type of insurance policy it is. You can choose from the available options and add your own if needed. It is not limited to just these four. When it comes to handling an insurance claim, we manage it as a project. As you can see here, the claim has its own status, and in this case, it is currently under verification. Each claim also has its own reference number and a planned completion date. We can easily identify who the claim is linked to, as well as the related insurance policy, which is the deal where the policy was originally recorded. We also have information about the claim adjuster here. Once we select them, their phone number and email are automatically filled in so that we have all the information on a single card without needing to access their contact cards separately. In the notes, we can describe the general purpose, such as filing a claim for collision insurance in this case, or we can store similar information in linked journals, emails, or documents. This is how the industry-specific database in eWay-CRM has been designed for day-to-day use. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@eway-crm.com, visit our website, or check more videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to see you in the next video.